Hey lovies, welcome back to start of today's video. You guys already know that I'm back with another Temu haul. I'm actually doing a review and demo of the products that I got. So thank you Temu for sponsoring today's video. If you guys do not know about Temu, it's a marketplace where you can literally get any and everything at an affordable price, and the prices are so unbelievably low that you might think the products aren't good, but I've tried literally almost every category on the website and I am obsessed. I absolutely love it. I have a discount code linked in the description box and the link to the products that you'll be seeing in today's video. You can go ahead and check them out if you need to, and if you are new here, well, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Y'all know you're my OG and I love you guys. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I'd love to chat with y'all. Let me know which product is your favorite, and if you are going to order from them, let me know what you plan on getting or which category. Is it home, clothing, kids, you name it. Dish covers. I didn't realize that the design was like a bunny or some head. Like he has ears and a little tail right there. It is so cute. It is easy to go on, and as you can see, you just use it to store your food. I love this turbine wash. It is so easy to use. All you do is attach this to the back, put it in the bucket, pour some water in there and your detergent, your clothes, and plug it in via USB port, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, and you have portable washing machine at hand. It is perfect for when you go on vacation, perfect for daily use to wash underwear and light clothes. It has a 30-minute timer, so it automatically shuts off after 30 minutes. I've used it and I love it. It made the clothes so clean. It's so simple to use, so easy, and again, it is perfect to travel with and use at home for daily use. And of course, it was ridiculously cheap. Now I can go on and on about this fitness watch. The price is amazing. I love the fact that you can connect it to your phone. You just download the app, connect it to your phone, and it measures your stress level. You can receive calls, emails, texts via this, and you can answer calls on it. Also, you can track your steps. You can remind you how much that you need to drink water. It is compatible with Alexa. You can play music while you work out. It has all these different type of fitnesses like outdoor cycling, indoor running, you name it. Now this storage box is so easy to install. Instruction comes on the box. Like you see, I'm looking right there, but it literally took me like under 5 minutes to put this thing together, and it swirls, like it rotates. You can use it in your bathroom, kitchen, vanity, work decks, bedroom, like I'm using in my bedroom. It stores a lot, like it holds a lot. I was surprised how much it holds, and on top of it I put my jewelry and watches, and then the rest I put little stuff that you can adjust the shelf to fit the products that you want. Absolutely love it. Again, the price was so reasonable, you cannot beat that, and it is sturdy, and it's perfect for organizing your makeup and makeup brushes. So guys, this is the bag, the compression bag that it comes with. I don't speak Chinese, but I guess this is the instruction down there, and then you turn this and sit on it to let the air out, and then once done you close it back and lock it. And this is the full mark, I guess, I assume. Again, I don't speak Chinese, so yeah, this little clip to help seal it shut, close it shut. This vacuum storage bag, I got it in a set of 2. This is the larger one. I'm just going to put some stuff in it, and you can use a vacuum, handheld vacuum, or your vacuum cleaner to suck the hair out of it, or you can just sit on it and suck it out. You can also just turn the valve to release the air, and then once the air is released, you just close the valve back and That's it. These bags are perfect to store out of season items, jackets, etc. Big blankets that takes up so much space, or it's even perfect for traveling. Like when you want to travel, you can just compress the stuff to fit in your suitcase, and it is, again, it's so easy to use. And once, if you want to release the ear, just open the valve and release the ear, and it blows right back up. So guys, don't forget to check the description box and the pinned comment for a discount code. Check out Temu. And once again, thank you Temu for sponsoring today's video. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, yes, I am wearing my watch, and don't leave it. I'm obsessed with it. I love it, and I've been using the heck out of it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a like in the comment, and let me know which product is your favorite. And until next time guys, have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a fabulous year. I love you guys, and I see you next. I see you Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for my cleaning motivation. Another video. Love y'all.